welcome to my channel Study with Gayatri. Question number 1. The Black Book National Park is located in which state? So correct answer is option B, Gujarat. The Black Book National Park is located in Gujarat state. Which among the following is not an example of Thallophyta? So correct answer is option B, Marchantia. It's not an example of Thallophyta. The High Court of Delhi was established in which year? So correct answer option D, 1966. The ancient name of which of the following rivers is Bipasa? Options are option A Sutlej, option B Ravi, option C Chenab, option D Bees. So correct answer is option D Bees. According to 2011 census, which among the following states has the highest literacy rate? So correct answer option D Kerala has the highest literacy rate. Which of the following cities was the first planned city of the Mughals? So correct answer option B Fatehpur Sikri. Lok Sabha has a fixed term of how many years and can be dissolved by the president at any time? So correct answer option D 5 years. Lok Sabha has a fixed term of 5 years. Which among the following dances is also known as Ekaharya, where one dancer takes on many roles in a single performance? So correct answer option A Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam dance is also known as Ekaharya. Who among the following was the founder of the Khilji dynasty? The correct answer option A Jalauddin Firoz Khilji. According to Census 2011, which among the following is the least populous Union territory? So correct answer option B Lakshadweep. Which is a festival of sowing seeds in the field? It is a major festival celebrated in Jharkhand. Which festival of sowing seeds in the field? So correct answer is option D Rohini. Which among the following is India's first human space flight program? So correct answer option B Gaganyaan is the India's first human spaceflight program. Golapo Gaccho, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is a collection of days. So correct answer option D short stories. Golapo Gaccho, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is a collection of short stories. Which law of economics state bad money drives out good money? So correct answer option C. Gresham's law state that bad money drives out good money. Which is the heaviest naturally occurring element of periodic table with an atomic weight of 238? So correct answer option B uranium. The feature of directive principle of state policy in the Indian constitution is borrowed from the which constitution? So correct answer option B Irish constitution. In which year was the 5G telecommunication technology launched in India? So correct answer option B 2022. The 5G telecommunication technology launched in India in 2022. Folk songs in which state are called ragains? So correct answer option 3 Haryana. Mewar festival is celebrated during the day's festival at Udaipur. So correct answer option A Gangwar. Mewar festival is celebrated during the Gangwar festival at Udaipur. Which of the following articles prohibits traffic in human beings and forced labor? So correct answer option 3 Article 23.